having sex, walking, cleaning. Now, what is the best form of cardio? The one that you're gonna do, right? There's no point me telling you that running burns more calories than walking if you love walking but absolutely hate running, right? I love walking, I hate running. So what do I do for cardio? I walk. I love martial arts, so I do a lot of martial arts for cardio. If you're someone that likes football, play football. If you're someone that likes to swim, swim. Find something that you enjoy, and that's what's most important. Now, if fat loss is your primary goal, we're obviously gonna have to look into adding a little bit more cardio. The best way to do this, I think, is called NEAT, which stands for non-exercise activity thermogenesis, right? I promise, no more big words. But that basically means calories that you burn outside of training. So for example, walking, or cleaning, or having sex, right? All those sort of things are gonna burn more calories. So just be very aware when you're doing things. If you're going to the shop, walk instead of take the car. If you're going up the stairs, take the stairs instead of the lift. Those little things add up and you're gonna burn more calories throughout the day. One way to track this, which everyone does these days, is steps, right? You see everyone with Fitbits or Apple Watches, or even your phone. Your phone tells you exactly how many steps you do per day. Now, everyone says go for 10,000. Well, no, it depends on what you currently do. So check your phone or check your Fitbit. If you're currently doing 5,000 steps a day and you wanna burn more calories, simply up that to 7,000 a day. Then up it to 8,000, then 10,000. Progress it like you would the gym. Another great form of cardio is interval training, right? If you're short on time and you haven't got time to do a 1 hour walk or a 1 hour swim and then go to the gym as well, what you can do is you can add a little bit of interval training after your weight workout. And I'll always say do it after your weights workout because you want to use most of your energy for the heavy lifting, and then we can do a bit of cardio after. So a nice way to do it is interval training. A nice little method I like to do is simply 30-30. So 30 seconds on, high intensity, 30 seconds off. So for example, 30 seconds punching a bag as hard as you can, or 30 seconds running on an incline on the treadmill, and then 30 seconds rest. Now, if you start to get a bit fitter, maybe you can do 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Or if you feel like your fitness is not quite there yet, you can go maybe 40 seconds off, 20 seconds on. So have a play around with that, but 30-30 is a great place to start, and maybe do that 10 to 15 times. So it's only gonna take you about 10 to 15 minutes, and it's a great way to burn some extra calories at the end of your workout.